My name is Demetrius, and I'm an affiliate marketer and blogger since 2012. When I first started, I didn't know how to begin getting the traffic or the content that I wanted for my websites. I didn't know how to build a website. I've spent hundreds of dollars on various training courses trying to teach me how to make money online. Getting traffic for my website or blogs was one of the hardest things that I had to deal with in my online career. I used to spend money on traffic sources that I wasn't getting any results with. But after a while, all that changed. And suddenly I was able to drive free traffic and content to those websites and blogs that I had through a strategy that I use in my business today. That has built me a passive income that I've been able to generate since 2012. And now it's time for me to show you how you can do the same using our software and training on Complete Autopilot. I'm about to show you a revolutionary software that will help you get free targeted traffic and content with a push of a button. I'm about to introduce to you a software and training program that will help you get free targeted traffic and content with one simple click. This software and training will help you get fresh content, unique content, pushed over back to your websites, and you're going to be able to monetize that content with free traffic from a reputable traffic source that we're going to find out inside. Not only will this save you time and effort, but the content that you're going to be pushing over, you're going to be able to monetize that for passive income from the traffic that you're going to be driving through our reputable traffic source. With this software, I'm going to be providing you with exclusive over-the-shoulder training, showing you exactly how to build a business online and generating a passive income. I'll be showing you my exact blueprint on generating daily sales, commissions, possible leads, and passive income through my own personal strategies using Pintra. So go ahead, scroll down this sales page and find our frequently asked questions to better assist you with any type of question that you might have about our Pintra training and software. Thank you, and talk to you inside.